Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with XIAOMI 12T. And we can do this by connecting the Gosun Smart socket, this one right here, onto the charger, and it should tell us the statistics on this phone right here. Now let's try plugging it in. Here's the charger, by the way. So it started charging. Now we just need to wait about 30 to 40 seconds until all of the statistics here are stable. Okay, so all of the statistics should be stable now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.